Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my boxycharm unboxing for the month of January 2019. So new year, happy new year guys. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Hi guys, so as y'all seen in the title, today we're going to be unboxing my boxycharm. My box weighed 0.8850, I think that's what it said. And my box is variation number 4. So today we're going to try doing a look. There we go. Variation number 4. Alright, so there is a repeat in my box. And they sent me an email saying that they're going to go ahead and send me another product because one of these is a repeat. I'm going to try to use as much of my box that I can today and see if I can create a look. But I've already primed my face. I'm gonna go ahead and place my foundation on, and then we're gonna step right into the products. So if y'all wanna stay for that, then awesome. I'm so awkward. Alright, so unfortunately this product did come broken in my box, but I went ahead and I contacted them and let them know that my Starlooks brown eye pencil was broken. It was broken at the base, so whenever I took off the seal, it it was all. But anyways, this Starlooks eyeliner, I'm gonna use it today for my brows to fill in. It's kind of more on the waxy side. It's not necessarily creamy, so that's why I was like, it's probably gonna make for a great brow filler. I don't know what look, you see what I'm saying, and that's literally all the product you get in it. So I thought that was kind of sad. I was like, what the so I sent them a picture of it broken. We're gonna see what they say. I hope they send me a new one. I don't know why I said they're gonna send me a new one, because I don't know if they are. But anyways, this Starlooks eyeliner in brown retails for $19, so quite a pricey little guy. But anyways, we're gonna use him for my brows today, and yeah, so I'm gonna bring this little guy closer to me and just fill in the areas where the shadow did not pick up. Like patches and whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow, but that's how that looks. So I'll be right back so I don't keep y'all here watching me be boring. Alright, my brows are done. I was really hoping that I was gonna get the spoolie eyebrow brush thing, but I didn't, so I guess I'm trying to make the best of it. I don't know what's going on with me today. It's like I can't talk. Oh, well, I just messed up my brow, but regardless, I didn't get it. I'm hoping that maybe the extra product will be that, but who knows. Alright, next thing in the box was a repeat item that they said they're gonna replace with another one. But obviously, I guess they're going to let me keep this one, and it's the Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. And this one retails for $16. I also messaged them after they had messaged, can you focus? After they had messaged me to tell me that they're gonna send me another product. I'm like, I'm glad that y'all did that, because this fun size product is just not gonna cut it. I mean, they say that they have full size products, and I'm not trying to sound like not needy or thankful, but it's just, this is not full size. This is not a full size, and this is the second time we've received this. It's a new year. I feel like they should send new products. Not that I didn't like it, not that I hated it. It's just I want to see new things. So I'm kind of glad that they sent that new product. Let's just hope that it's not a repeat. Alright, now this is the kind of bougier product. This is the Tatcha facial masks. They're both the same thing. I believe Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Yeah. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to try these. I've never tried anything from Tatcha, so this is kind of exciting. I can't wait to use this. Paul! Knock it off! Okay, so anyways, yeah, I'm excited to try these. These ones retail for, I'm so sorry, for $24. So yeah. Alright. Moving on, now we're going to go into the eyes. Alright, so this is the palette that I have received. It is the Tarte Sea Volume 3. Yeah, Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. This is not the palette I was hoping for, but it's still very cute. So it looks like that. I was debating whether or not to put this away and not use it, but I gotta get my $21 worth. So these are the colors, very super like natural tone looking. I showed this to my husband, and even my husband was like, isn't it supposed to be brighter? Like, the packaging on the outside is super bright, and it has to do with like the sea, and yet the colors are kind of dead. I was like, I know, right? But oh well, it is what it is. So once again, those are the colors. I'm just like, what am I gonna do with this palette? Like, what look can I come up with? But I guess we're gonna see. This retailed for, where's my thing? This retails for $36. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and maybe see if I could swatch it. I'm not trying to make this video long at all, so we'll see. We'll just see. Yeah, no, I don't think I'm gonna do swatches. I mean, it's really pretty, but I think I'm just gonna swatch the colors that I use on my eyes today, because I'm not exactly sure what all shadows I'm gonna use. But I guess without further ado, we'll go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with Tiki because it is literally the only matte shade in the palette, and mine looks like it's already been swatched. I don't know if it's the vitamin E that it says that it has. Let's see, where is it at? Yeah, it contains vitamin E, and antioxidants help to protect, hydrate, and protect your lids. So I don't know if maybe it's that. I know some of them produce like a layer, and sometimes you gotta scrape it off, and then after that it works just fine. But anyways, I'm gonna use the mirror that's in it because it's a pretty good mirror. Pretty good size mirror. That literally looks like I'm not putting anything on my lid, and I'm not very happy about this palette for this month. And in a way, I feel kind of like BoxyCharm didn't try this time around. But what do I know? Alright. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with Malibu and take that on my brush. Is anything coming off? I don't know. This palette is so weird to me. And I'm just going to place that on the outer corner of my eye. And we'll see what it does. Sorry if y'all can hear my husband in the background. He's a video gamer. And you know how excited they can get sometimes. I'm going to do the other eye. Alright, so that brown is on, which is the color Malibu. And now I'm gonna go into Escape, just this guy, and I'm just gonna take my finger and place that on the, just watch. Sorry, I suck at explaining things. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Look at that. Okay, I do like that one a lot. Alright. Yeah, that's really pretty. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so that is Escape on both of my lids. I'm gonna try to put something maybe in the inner corner. I'm possibly gonna use Treasure for my inner corner. Let me see. I have a brush for that one and I can't find it. Let's see. Okay. Oh, here it is. So I'm gonna take my It Cosmetics brush in Heavenly Luxe, I think is what it's called. I don't know about brushes, I'm so sorry. And I'm just gonna go into this color right here. Once again, it is called Treasure. And I'm just gonna put that in the inner corners of my eye. I feel like I need to wet it. I'll be right back. Alright, so now I've got that on my inner corner. Honestly, I feel like there's a layer that's like producing itself. I don't know if y'all could see it. Let me see if I can get closer. Can you focus? I don't know if y'all could see it there. That looks so weird to me. And now it's like falling apart. And I'm barely even like touching it. Like, y'all see that? Now it's got a freaking hole in it. This, to me, I don't know why it's not working. I'm just gonna move on. Alright, I think I'm just gonna end up using this as a highlight. I'm gonna mix Treasure and Escape, these two guys right here. And I'm gonna use them as a highlight. That's pretty. Okay, I think I like it as a highlight. I'm gonna try with my finger. There we go. I don't know if you can tell. Just gonna blend that out. I like it better as a highlighter and with my finger. I don't want to put too much because my nose is already big, so, or at least I think it looks big. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, and then we're gonna do the lips. Alright, so the last product in my box was this Ofra long-lasting lipstick in the color Havana Nights. This is my favorite product out of the whole entire box up until now because I still haven't tried these, but then again, like, there's only two, so it's not something I can consistently try. God, this video has turned into something so horrible, and I don't like that because I've usually always liked my boxes, and this time around I don't feel like that. But anyways, I really do like the packaging. I think that this hasn't always been their packaging, but yeah, I think it's really, really pretty. Do y'all hear that? I don't know, it sounds crazy. Alright, so it's a very pretty dark color, and I like my lipsticks like this. My husband thinks they're much too dark, and he kind of wishes that I would go lighter, but I like them, so yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. Alright, so this is the final look. Okay, so anyways, this Ofra lipstick is for $20. And I gotta say, I really, really like it. It's so creamy. And it's supposed to dry like somewhat matte, but I think it's kind of like on the inner part of your mouth. That part just kind of has stayed moist because I tried this on yesterday. But I'll show you guys. Let me see. You see what I mean? Like, I don't know. It still is a little bit wet, but who knows? Maybe I didn't let it dry long enough. But regardless, yesterday I did the exact same thing. But it wasn't this wet, so who knows. But anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm really sorry if my review seemed very negative. I'm just not really excited about my box completely. I just hope next month's box is better. If I even stay on, we'll see. We'll see what happens. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah.